Hey all. Welcome to Astronomia Expounded. Hope you all are good. Apologies for the long overdue. Without further delay, let's get to the video. This is the first episode of Space Telescopes, a series that brings you tweets and observations by space observatories in a single package. Our Milky Way is calm compared to active galaxies, whose central black holes can slingshot jets of materials across space at near light speed. The jets emit light and, like lighthouse beams, are brightest when pointed at us. This eye-catching simulation, accompanying the tweet by NASA Universe, gives an idea of how powerful these monsters are. Good boy Sagittarius A, pat. Pharos of Alexandria. One of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, is a Fermi constellation. As one of the brightest sources of gamma rays, the Vela pulsar blinks as the beacon of this lighthouse constellation. Fermi Constellations are unofficial set of gamma-ray constellations, named after science or science fiction, history, or landmark, by the Fermi team, to honor the contributors of the mission. Check out the ESA Hubble Word Bank, a unique astronomical glossary. Each term is accompanied by a simple definition and explanation of various astronomical concepts and objects, in simple and accessible language. The word bank is neat, with images, links and videos. Note, it looks better in larger screen than smartphones. In the 2021 ESA Hubble calendar, for the month of August, you can find some latest views of Jupiter, that were captured when the planet was 653 million kilometers from Earth. With the grand view of Jupiter, great red spot and a moon, are splendid bonuses. Check out the calendar for more. Link is in the description. Do you remember the last image you took with your old camera? When Hubble's Wide Field Planetary Camera 2 was going to be retired in 2009, it took one last pretty picture. A planetary nebula, known as Cohodic 455. This beautiful nebula is situated 4,600 light-years away, in the constellation Cygnus. This cool image is taken as a monochromatic image, and colorized to make up for the emission clouds, with red for nitrogen, green for hydrogen and blue for oxygen. That's a wrap on our Deep Field Week. Thanks for following along on our deep dive into deep field images, and how they have shaped our understanding of the universe. We have gathered all that content here, if you want to catch up or look back. Enjoy this video from Deep Field Week collection. So far, we have released 3 posters celebrating NASA space telescopes that study worlds beyond our solar system, exoplanets. We will launch a new poster next week. Any guesses? Meanwhile, collect them all. Scientists have spotted an unusual set of X-ray rings around a black hole with a companion star. These rings are created by light echoes, a phenomenon similar to echoes on Earth, from sound waves bouncing off hard surfaces. This image is a composite of X-ray, optical and infrared images. X-rays were detected by Chandra X-ray and Neil Gehrels Swift observatories. The black hole is part of a binary system called V404 Cygni, located about 7,800 light-years away from Earth. This planetary nebula is a little less than a light-year across, and it's located a few thousand light-years away, in the constellation Cygnus, the Swan. Formerly known as NGC 6826, or Caldwell 15. What nickname would you give this dying star? Let us know in the comments section. Happy 10 years Juno mission. Here's a gift from the Jovian Explorer. A new infrared map of Jupiter's massive moon, Ganymede. The map provides new information on the moon's icy shell and its liquid water ocean below. The instrument GIRAM, that captured this image, was originally designed to see through the weather of Jupiter. This image was taken in one of the close flybys made by Juno. 10 for 10. 10 years ago, on 5th of August 2011, our Juno mission launched. Below is a thread of 10 waypoints and highlights from the journey to Jupiter. So far. Important tweets like this can be found in our Twitter handle at @astro_expounded. A lot of interesting details, numbers and a collection of never-before-seen, close-up images from the Jovian system can be found in the thread of tweets. Don't miss it. A glimpse into that collection. Look familiar? Early designs of NASA Webb, then named the Next Generation Space Telescope, incorporated a segmented mirror, an open design, and a large sun shield. Sure does look like a space weapon from an old James Bond movie. Spitzer Space Telescope data shows optical surveys are missing nearly half of the supernovas in the universe, Space Telescope Science Institute scientist Ori Fox says. Infrared telescopes are the key to looking past opaque dust clouds. Note: scientist Ori Fox also works with James Webb Space Telescope, operating in the infrared wavelength. It will take us closer to Big Bang with great detail. Finally, thanks to these magnificent engineering marvels, we see beyond our reaches and behind in time. And thanks to your friends for your patience. Check the video description for links. Make sure to follow the LSS protocol.